Hi home buyers and home investors, welcome back to another series of house tour here in Davao City, brought to you by Villocino Realty. Today we are here in one of the beautiful Mediterranean-inspired communities in South Davao. This is Villa Conchita Subdivision. This is a massive 27-hectare residential development located in Bago Galera, Talomo District, Davao City. Perfect for families who want peace, space, and a secured neighborhood. So what I love about Villa Conchita Subdivision is that it feels like a real community. Wide roads, organized house clusters, and a very peaceful environment. Now guys, let me show you one of their most beautiful house models here in Villa Conchita Subdivision. This is Phoebe model. Come on! Now, look at this. It's a two-story Mediterranean-inspired home with a carport and a very elegant design. So guys, let's go inside. Whoa! Guys, check this out. This model sits on a 150 square meter lot area with over 104 square meter floor area. Wow, that's a huge! As you enter the Phoebe model, you're welcomed by a bright and spacious living area, perfect for family bonding, relaxing after work, and entertaining guests. Right beside the living area is the dining space, designed for comfortable family meals and special gatherings. This kitchen is designed for both function and style, with enough space for cabinets, appliances, and meal preparation. On the ground floor, you'll find a toilet and bath, very convenient for guests and everyday use. This Phoebe model comes with 3 bedrooms and 3 toilet and baths, perfect for families who want privacy. No more sharing of bathrooms every morning. Here, on your second floor, you'll find 2 bedrooms, perfect for kids or guests with a common toilet and bath. And of course, a master's bedroom for you with its own toilet and bath. And also, it has a balcony where you can sit and sip your coffee every morning. So, if you're looking for a beautiful family home inside a complete and secured subdivision in South Davao, Villa Conchita Subdivision and the Phoebe model is definitely a great choice. If you're interested to this subdivision, message or call us now, Villocino Realty, to get the updated prices, details, and promos to this Phoebe house model. So, I'm James. See you soon, home buyers and home investors, on our house tour here in Villocino Realty.